Hello guys, what's up? You're welcome to my channel. My name is Barona Monday, as you can see by the name of the channel. If you are not subscribed to this channel, before the end of this video I want to just tap that subscription button and make sure you enable the notification bell so that you can be able to get the first notification once I upload. Alright, you're looking at this video and you're looking at numbers in front of you. We all know that businessmen and women, we are obsessed with number, whether you like it or not. Every day you are counting money, every day you are counting the number of goods, every day you are counting one thing or the other. You are counting your steps, you are counting your distance, you are counting your travel, you are counting your list, your to-do list and everything, but looking at the screen now, before the end of this video, what I'm going to do for you here, I'm going to show you a simple way you can just easily calculate all your calculate, sum or multiply, whichever way you want to do it, your number or your list without punching your calculator on your laptop. All right, oftentimes when we enter okay, before I continue, there are two things you need. All right, let's say you are making some documentation or some recordings on your Microsoft Word, and then you need to get the total of the list or of the particular set of documentation. You need just two things. All right, you need the Microsoft Word, and then the next thing that you will be needing that will be so helpful to you is an Excel page. All right, so now I'm using this number list as just an example. Let's say this is a number of items that can be entered at a random. Don't mind me, I'm just calling them with alphabet. All right, let's say these are numbers of items that are just named randomly. Let's say they are names of goods that were sold or you are to buy, and now you need to calculate from this top to down how much, like the total number, like how many that they are. All right, so most people will start punching, using calculator to punch one by one after the other. All right, that is going to waste your time. All right, so this is what you need to do. Simply, all you need to do is simple. All right, to get the total number of this whole list that we have here, what you just need to do is just to highlight all of them, copy all of them. I'm just going to copy now, copy, and then you go and open an empty Excel page. Alright, and then you go and open an empty Excel page. I have something I was doing, so now open an empty Excel page, just copy it and paste anywhere on the screen. Paste anywhere. Alright, I can paste it this way or this way, whichever way I want. Let me paste it this way. Alright, so now it is pasted that way. Whichever way I want to paste this thing, I can it's okay. Anyhow you want to paste it, just paste it. Alright, then what you need to do to just get that calculation is simple. What you just need to do is just highlight it from the top, place your cursor on this first box, then hold down your I say left click, and then drag your mouse down. That's what I mean is highlight it from this place to the end. All right, normally when you are highlighting on Excel, the first box is not it's not darkened. All right, like the rest are darkened, but you will notice from here. All right, so now what you just need to do is whatever you want to do. Let's say we want to sum it up, just go here and sum it up and hit the sum up. The total number will be displayed here. You can see the total number there is 57,500. all right, so now you can now go back to your Microsoft Word and just enter the total. Let me just hit down. You can now go back to your Microsoft Word and enter the total. What will we get there? 57,500, right? All right, so that is just as simple as that. Nothing much, not too much work, nothing too much. Now this now will help you minimize your time and help you save time, and you don't have to go by adding one after the other, okay, this will save your time a lot. All right, so guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something different. I hope I help you I was able to help you, minimize your time while compiling your recording business records and to-do lists and daily sales. All right, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed, and see you in my next video. Thank you.